of digital marketing landscape. In today's fast-paced digital age, understanding the intricacies of the digital marketing landscape is the first step toward financial success. Digital marketing encompasses a multitude of channels and strategies, each with its own unique potential. To truly grasp its power, we must delve into the core components that drive digital marketing success. The multifaceted nature of digital marketing. Digital marketing encompasses a vast array of strategies and channels, including search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, pay-per-click, PPC advertising, email marketing, and affiliate marketing, among others. These tools serve as the foundation upon which digital marketing strategies are built. The power of SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is an integral part of digital marketing. When done right, it can significantly boost a website's visibility on search engines like Google. By optimizing your website's content and structure, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Successful businesses and individuals have tapped into the immense potential of SEO to gain a competitive edge. Content is king. Content marketing plays a pivotal role in engaging and attracting audiences. Creating high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your target audience can establish your authority in your niche. Brands such as HubSpot and Neil Patel have mastered the art of content marketing to build successful businesses. Social media's impact. Social media marketing is another powerful tool in the digital marketing arsenal. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn offer businesses the opportunity to connect with their audience on a personal level. Companies like Red Bull and Airbnb have harnessed the power of social media marketing to skyrocket their brand awareness and profits. Data-driven decision-making. One of the keys to success in digital marketing is the ability to make data-driven decisions. Analytics tools provide valuable insights into user behavior, allowing marketers to tailor their strategies for maximum effectiveness. By analyzing user data, businesses can fine-tune their campaigns, optimizing their return on investment, ROI. Visualizing the digital marketing landscape. To better understand the digital marketing landscape, it's helpful to visualize it. Think of it as a vast, interconnected web of strategies and channels. Each element, from SEO to social media, contributes to the overall success of your digital marketing efforts. These visual representations can help you see the big picture and make informed decisions about where to allocate your resources. Real-life success stories. Let's delve into real-life success stories that exemplify the power of digital marketing. Take the example of Brian Dean, the founder of Backlinko. Starting from scratch, Brian used his expertise in SEO and content marketing to build a highly successful online business. His website is a treasure trove of SEO insights, and he's a testament to the potential of digital marketing when leveraged effectively. Another inspiring story is that of Moz, a company founded by Rand Fishkin. Moz began as a blog and grew into a leading SEO software provider. Rand Fishkin's dedication to educating the digital marketing community and his strategic use of content marketing catapulted Moz to success. Chapter 2: Starting your digital marketing journey. Now that we've gained a deeper understanding of the digital marketing landscape, it's time to embark on your own journey. Starting from scratch can be both exciting and daunting, but with the right guidance and mindset, you can pave the way for financial success. Essential resources for beginners. As a beginner, you'll need access to essential resources that can kickstart your digital marketing journey. There are countless online courses, blogs, and tutorials available to help you learn the ropes. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and HubSpot Academy offer a wide range of digital marketing courses that cater to different skill levels. The power of education. Education is the cornerstone of success in digital marketing. Whether you're learning about SEO, content marketing, or social media advertising, investing in your education is crucial. Many successful digital marketers started with little to no experience, but dedicated themselves to learning and honing their skills. Hands-on practice. Theory alone won't make you a digital marketing expert. Hands-on practice is essential. Start by creating your own blog or website to experiment with different strategies. Experimentation allows you to gain valuable insights into what works and what doesn't. By consistently applying what you learn, you'll gradually build the expertise needed for success. Building a strong foundation. Building a strong foundation in digital marketing involves understanding the fundamentals of each strategy. Take the time to delve deep into SEO, content marketing, social media, and other key areas. A solid understanding of these components will serve as the bedrock of your digital marketing career. Real-life novice success stories. To illustrate the journey from novice to expert in digital marketing, let's explore the stories of individuals who started with minimal knowledge but achieved remarkable success. Pat Flynn, for instance, began his online journey with a simple blog and podcast. Over time, he mastered various digital marketing strategies, including affiliate marketing, and built a thriving online business. Another example is that of Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, who started her personal finance blog as a side project. Through consistent content creation and effective digital marketing techniques, she transformed her blog into a full-time income source, earning over $1 million annually. Chapter 3: Wealth Creation with Digital Marketing. Now that you've laid the foundation and gained valuable insights into digital marketing, let's explore the wealth creation opportunities that await those who are willing to embrace this dynamic field. Identifying profitable niches. Digital marketing offers endless possibilities, but success often hinges on identifying profitable niches. Research is key to understanding market trends, consumer behavior, and emerging opportunities. Tools like Google Trends and keyword research platforms can help you pinpoint high-demand niches with relatively low competition. Data-driven decision-making. In the world of digital marketing, data is your ally. By harnessing data analytics tools and tracking user behavior, you can make informed decisions that drive your success. Platforms like Google Analytics and Facebook Insights provide valuable insights into user demographics, preferences, and conversion rates. Fostering innovation. Digital marketing is a constantly evolving field. To stand out and achieve financial success, you must foster innovation. Stay updated on the latest trends and technologies, and be willing to experiment with new strategies. Successful marketers like Neil Patel are always on the cutting edge of innovation, trying out new tactics to stay ahead of the competition. Real-life rags to riches stories. Let's delve into the inspiring stories of individuals who started from scratch and leveraged digital marketing to create substantial wealth. Nathan Barry, the founder of ConvertKit, began his journey as a self-taught web designer. Through the power of content marketing, email marketing, and relentless dedication, he turned ConvertKit into a multi-million-dollar business that caters to content creators worldwide. Another remarkable success story is that of Ryan Deese, the co-founder and CEO of Digital Marketer. Ryan started with a simple ebook and grew it into a digital marketing empire. His company offers a range of digital marketing courses and tools, generating millions in revenue. In conclusion, the path to wealth through digital marketing is not a mere fantasy. It is a tangible reality. However, it's essential to recognize that it's not an overnight success story. Achieving financial prosperity through digital marketing requires a strategic approach, continuous learning, and a commitment to honing your skills. To recap our journey, we've explored the diverse landscape of digital marketing, delved into the essentials of starting your digital marketing journey, and examined the wealth creation opportunities this field offers. From SEO to content marketing and social media, the potential for financial success is boundless. So, is it possible to get rich from scratch with digital marketing? Absolutely. The stories of Brian Dean, Pat Flynn, Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, Nathan Barry, and Ryan Deese demonstrate that with the right knowledge, dedication, and innovation, you can turn your digital marketing venture into a lucrative source of wealth. The journey towards online prosperity is open to everyone willing to learn, adapt, and apply the principles of digital marketing effectively. It's a journey that may not guarantee instant riches, but with perseverance and the right strategies, it can lead to financial success beyond your wildest dreams. Digital marketing is not just a profession, it's a pathway to prosperity in the digital age. If you found this exploration enlightening, we encourage you to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, sharing it with others who aspire to turn their digital marketing ambitions into wealth, and subscribing to our community of idea-driven wealth creators. Thank you for being an integral part of the next future. where knowledge and expertise converge to empower you with the strategies and insights needed to excel in the intricate world of business online.